Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is the X26R Rider Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. Okay, so if you need to replace a worn brush, here's how you do this. All you need to do is loosen the two knobs on your side skirt. Remove that. Take your brush. Spin it, and there it is. So now, to replace it, get your new brush. It's a 3-lug system. There are 3 holes on the underside of your deck here. The lugs just line up like that. Spin it, and it locks into place. Now, all you gotta do is put your side skirt back on. Now, it is the same exact thing, same exact process for the other side, because there are 2 brushes on this machine. Tighten down the knobs, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.